In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in TradingView to match your personal preference or make things easier on the eyes. It's a quick customization that helps make your charting environment more comfortable. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account. You'll need to be logged in to access and save your chart settings. Next, go to the top of the page and hover over Products to open the drop-down menu. Then, select Supercharts so you can access your full-featured chart workspace. After that, click the gear icon in the top right corner of your chart. This will open the Chart Settings window. Now go to the Canvas section on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see options related to the appearance of your chart. Choose the background color you want from the color picker or enter a custom hex code if you prefer. Then click OK to apply your changes. And that's how you change the background color in TradingView. A cleaner workspace can really improve your focus while trading. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and useful guides. See you next time!